because I wouldn't look confident and beautiful na guy without my hunter and without the support of my mother and to my fellow kabarangay ng poblasyon. Ayong gabi sa inyo ang tanan.
We're here and your parents are definitely proud of you. So are you ready to answer your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here is your question. I will read it twice. As a Makilalenyo, how will you serve as a bridge of peace and unity? Again, as a Makilalenyo, how will you serve as a bridge of peace and unity? Whenever you're ready.
To tell you honestly, I wasn't born here in Makilala. I was born in Japan, and I have existed there for 4 years. But due to the personal conflict of me and my family, we moved here in Makilala. And it is very hard for me to adapt the culture that we have here. But through my neighbor, through my family's approach and guidance and love that they have gave me, it gave me peace and it united me with the people of Makilala. And it builds me of who I am right now, speaking here, being proud as a son of Makilala, and I believe that I am a living testimony because it is the one that builds me to who I am, not just an artist, not just an athlete, but a proud Makilalenyo. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan, o salamat.